NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question 1. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2 times cosecant theta. We have to prove this. Answer. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Let us take the LCM. LCM is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is common, therefore sin theta times sin theta plus sin theta is common, so 1 plus cos theta of 1 plus cos theta. Let us write the denominator as is, and in the numerator we have sin theta times sin theta, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square. Which is of the form a plus b whole square. Therefore we can write it as 1 square plus 2 times 1 times cos theta plus cos square theta. Therefore 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write it as 1 plus, we already have 1 plus 2 cos theta divided by sin theta of 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta by sin theta of 1 plus cos theta. Let us take 2 as common from the numerator. 2 of 1 plus cos theta by sin theta of 1 plus cos theta. We can cancel 1 plus cos theta from both numerator and denominator. That is equal to 2 by sin theta. We can write 1 by sin theta as cosecant theta. That is equal to 2 times cosecant theta, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. We have proved that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2 times cosecant theta.